touching me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easy to be. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. I'm coming back to you real quickly with another DIY Christmas craft. I wanted to get this out before it gets too close to Christmas. This is going to be a fun and hilarious as well DIY, and this is going to be a light up fried cat rug. I have a free printable in the description box below for you guys to check out, so you can print this out and just kind of get an idea and a feeling of how you can draw this out on paper. And it's going to be on a regular printing paper. Yes, and so it's going to look like this when you print it out and you open it up. It's going to look exactly like this, and then in the middle we're going to be folding it, and that's what I did. I folded over in half, and then I drew that out there, and that's how your paper is going to look. All right, and so the reason why I'm showing you this way, because we're going to be putting this onto a poster board, a white poster board. You can purchase a poster board from Dollar Tree, or you can get one from Walmart or wherever craft store you have available at your location. This is basically a guideline to help you to see how you can draw this out, and then when you get that, we're going to be transferring this onto a poster board, and I will show you the poster board later on. So right now, what you will need for this project: some fur, black felt, and you're gonna need a fairy string lights, or you can use just regular Christmas lights. You're gonna need a glue gun as well too to put this all together. So let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. Sorry about the lighting, guys. And so this is how it's gonna look. You're gonna get your poster board, and then you're gonna fold. I just folded in half. That's all that was. The poster board, you fold in half. The printable that I have in the description box below, you're going to put on here. All you're going to do is enlarge this drawing onto your poster board and just draw it exactly the way it is. In order for you to get the larger size, we have to switch it onto the poster board, and that's what I did with the poster board. What we're going to do right now is cut this out right here. I don't know if you all ever seen, I'm sure many of you have seen it because it's a popular movie, National Lampoon Christmas Vacation movie. Hilarious, y'all. And basically the cat that was inside of that movie, it got electrocuted, basically fried up, kind of like this DIY that I'm creating. I just wanted to bring some humor to the holidays, and this is perfect. That's how it should look once you cut it out. And then we open it up. It's gonna look like that. That's gonna be our rug. We're gonna draw this out on the felts. Fold your felt in half, like I did. This one is folded in half. Lay the cat sideways like this. And then you can trace it out right here, all the way around. Okay, trace it all the way around until you get to the end, and then afterwards cut that out. And cut that out, and then we'll get to the next step. Okay, so once you finish cutting that out, we are going to take those pins out and open up our cat. it is. We're going to be getting our fur around this. Start from the top here, and then we're gonna lay this around the cat. As I glue this on, I'm just gonna cut along the way. Ears stop right here, so I'm gonna cut at the ears here. Okay, for the ears, just stop at the ears right there, and then we're gonna connect the other one going this way, like that. That way, it doesn't have any bulks. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'll stop at the ears. So you're gonna glue all the way over here. Right, and we're gonna start right there. We're gonna take another piece, glue that onto here like that. Okay, and we're gonna go all the way around, y'all. So just continue the same thing. And if you have to cut in between, I'm gonna cut another piece right in between here, this corner, right in the center. Okay, and then we're gonna take this little piece here and then continue to do the same thing we did up here. We're gonna do it, and then you're gonna go all the way around doing the same thing. So this is how it looks when you finish adding your fur to it. Everything is laid out. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our fairy lights all the way around. I'm gonna put it in between the fur. I ordered this from Amazon. It has 6 of them, 6-pack. But if you want, you can get something more longer. You have to use about either 2 or 3 of them. I'm not for sure, because they're not that long, but I'm fine with that. But also you can use Christmas lights too that you put on your tree as well. Put on 2 of the string lights. I put 2 of them on there. One of them cover one side, one section, and the other one cover the other section. And it's a little bit more, a little just extra going over the head. But all in all, it worked out. But if you want, you can get just something that covers the whole thing, so you don't have to use 2 lights, but whatever works. And so that's the results. And I tape it down in the back right here. I tape it down so it'll be easier, so it won't be moving everywhere. And turn this one on. Look at that. I think that's awesome. I have a whole bunch of these. I don't know, I was thinking about these are the ones when I cut out the fur. It was the extra axis that left, and I pulled them out. And so I think I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of them around, more traumatic. Or you can take the fur that you put in there and you can just layer it like that too, if you want. That'll work as well. Lay some of it, just pull some of it up like that. I think that's probably work better. And then the furs you can actually glue down once you get every one in the position that you need it to be, and you can just glue this in place, y'all. I love it. Looks beautiful. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and any questions, please comment below. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please share this. Merry Christmas, everyone, and you will see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.